Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing another Dutch pour, and my recipe will pop up on the screen. It's the same as always. And these are the colors I'm using today, and my background colors are gray and white. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It'll help me out, and it's free for you. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for your guys' love, support, and comments. They mean everything to me. You have no idea. Also, so this is a commission piece. So this is the colors that they wanted. So we will get down to, I already flooded the canvas with the base colors. And, oh, sorry, it's gray and black. And they're BLICK, nope. I used black from Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, and then black and white to make the gray of Artist Loft Flow White. So those are my colors. And also, don't forget to check out that description box. I have goodies down there like discount coupons, links, social media links. Come follow me. Love to see if your art, if you do art, I'd love to see it. And yeah, I'll let you guys watch, and please let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help. Okay, guys, it's finally done, and I am in love with the way it turned out and the composition and the colors. The colors go really well together, and it looks amazing. It even dried beautifully, um, flawless. So, and my client was very, very happy and excited that it turned out so well. But check out those cells. Those cells are beautiful, and the colors, they're just so like calm. The colors, the colors in the middle, just calming. It's pretty. But don't forget to hit that like button if you liked it, and share it if you want to share it. It helps me tremendously, and it helps other people see how cool art is. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them below. I'm more than happy to help. I have coupon codes down in the description box. I have links. Come follow me on my Facebook or TikTok or my Instagram. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me and I appreciate it so very much. All right, guys, I'll let you guys go. And until next time, please stay safe and hope you all have a fabulous day. Thank you so much.